Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're pitting two drones against each other in an epic battle of the skies. On my left, we have the DEERC drone D70, the underdog that packs a punch in a small package. And on my right, the FOCJANK brushless motor drone, the high flyer with a brushless motor that promises to blow you away. Literally. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk money. Because who doesn't love talking about money? The DEERC D70 comes in at a wallet-friendly $79. Meanwhile, the FOCJANK, with its fancy brushless motor, will set you back $119. That's a $40 difference. For that price, FOCJANK better come with a free pizza or something. Next, let's see how easy these flying gizmos are to use. The DEERC D70 is like that overly helpful friend who walks you through everything. One key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. Basically, it's saying, hey, even your grandma can fly me. On the other hand, FOCJANK also has one key takeoff/landing and headless mode, but it throws in altitude hold and optical flow positioning. It's like FOCJANK saying, I believe in you, but here's a safety net, just in case. Reviewers for the DEERC D70 love how beginner-friendly it is, while FOCJANK users appreciate the additional safety features. Now, let's talk about the cameras. DEERC D70 sports a 1080p HD camera, perfect for capturing those "I swear I'm a good pilot" moments. FOCJANK also has a 1080p HD camera, but ups the ante with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. It's like the difference between a selfie stick and a professional tripod. FOCJANK is clearly going for that "I'm a director now" vibe. Reviewers say DEERC's camera is decent for its price, while FOCJANK's adjustable lens gets a nod for versatility. Portability. DEERC D70 folds down to the size of your palm. You can literally fit it in your pocket. It's the drone equivalent of a pocket-sized puppy. FOCJANK, on the other hand, doesn't brag about its portability as much. It's more like, sure, I'm a bit bulkier, but have you seen my brushless motor? Reviewers appreciate DEERC's compact size, making it easy to carry around. Flight features. DEERC D70 comes with tap fly, voice control, gesture selfie, and even 360 degrees flips. It's like a circus performer in the sky. FOCJANK, not to be outdone, offers 3D flips, custom path flight, and gesture control. Plus, it has 3 speeds, so you can go from Sunday drive to Need for Speed in seconds. And let's not forget that FOCJANK can handle level 4 wind resistance. It's basically saying, bring it on, Mother Nature. Reviewers love the fun features of DEERC, while FOCJANK's robust wind resistance is a big hit. Lastly, customer service. DEERC D70 boasts 7*24H full-time after-sales service and a 1-year free replacement. It's like having a personal assistant who's always there for you. FOCJANK doesn't mention much about customer service, probably because it's too busy flaunting its brushless motor. Priorities, right? However, reviewers note that FOCJANK's customer service is compassionate and responsive when issues do arise. Reviewers generally find the DEERC D70 to be a durable, beginner-friendly drone with a decent camera and excellent portability. It's a great choice for those new to drones. On the other hand, the FOCJANK brushless motor drone is praised for its robust flight features, adjustable camera, and responsive customer service, though it comes at a higher price point. So there you have it, folks. The DEERC D70 is your go-to if you want a budget-friendly, easy-to-carry drone with a ton of fun features. FactJunk is your pick if you're looking for power, speed, and a camera that can capture every angle of your epic flights. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future showdowns. Until next time, keep flying smart. Product links are in the description.